This is a 14-year-old man who's having androgenetic alopecia, male pattern level 7, and he did a hair transplant in a different clinic, and now he came to see me. You can see the hairline is not natural. The angle, the direction, and the density is not properly planned. This is a result of poor surgical planning. After looking at his donor area, he still has some good graft, and we decided to come out with a proper surgical plan and surgical organization of the graft. This is exactly 9 months after the repair case with a SMART FUE. You can see he got a very natural hairline, and you can see here there's no see-through. The angle of hair is correct, the density is very good and able to cover all this area till here. Here at Glojas, we are able to do the repair cases.